Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Mazda 2 Neo 3-door hatch, stock reference number 4591. This shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 9th month 2014. It has a ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 15-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror with some scratches. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim. 3-door type. Power window master switch. Also 3-door type. Fronts only. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. We have a center console in black, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.